Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. If you're new to my channel, my name is Miss Tamika. I upload videos once a week, which is Sunday, and then I also throw in a bonus video throughout the week. With that being said, you all, if you here for a bag review, then y'all know what y'all need to do. Y'all need to click on my subscribe button, y'all, because it really helps out my channel. So with that being said, we're gonna go ahead and jump straight into this here bag review. Bag I am here to review is the Marc Jacobs small tote. Y'all, I pulled this out. Why did I pull this out? Oh, because I took pictures. Let me just say, I took some pictures of myself, and my daughter was supposed to take the pictures, but she ended up having to go somewhere. Gotta get these pictures. So what I did was, I was brave, you all. A few YouTubers, her name is Andrea Renee. I think it's Andrea Renee, yeah. I watched her vlog, and she, I guess, didn't have anyone take pictures for her, so she ended up bringing a tripod and her remote and took her own pictures. So I was like, okay. First I was scared because, you know, people, I didn't want nobody looking at me like, okay, who this girl thinks she is, you know. Y'all, when I tell you I did it, like, I found like a nice area. I had my tripod because it's here in this bag. I pulled out my tripod, connected. I didn't bring my camera because I felt like that was a little too much. So I ended up using my cell phone because it was a lot easier to travel with. So I pulled out my tripod. I had my remote, which is Bluetooth. And y'all, I just got the flicking away. I'll probably insert pictures throughout this here bag review, y'all. When I tell you I'm so proud of myself because I did it. Like, it worked out better for me taking my own pictures because my daughter, she do a really good job when she feels like taking my pictures. I was able to take a lot of pictures and didn't have to worry about like, okay, mom, you done. Like, really, if it was up to me, I would hire a photographer. But as you know, photographers cost a lot of money. And right now, I don't have that type of money to afford a photographer as of now. Because things may change. To be outside, like with the trees, the flowers. And so this is why I pulled out my Marc Jacobs tote. Because I didn't want to wear the backpack. Because I felt like the type of dress I had on, I wanted to like show my bag. I didn't want nothing on my back because I did have like a halter top dress on. Let you know why I pulled out. That was the reason why I pulled out this hair bag. So, you know what? Let me do a review on this bag. Let me share with you all this hair bag because I did do an unboxing and I think I shared what fits in here. That was a little while ago. So I think it was over a year ago when I purchased this bag because I didn't purchase this bag this year because, as y'all know, lately I've been buying a lot of Gucci and Louis Vuitton, and I did take a pause and a break because of the fact that I really didn't see anything that I wanted, and everything that I did see on Louis Vuitton, the one bag I was looking at was the Delightful PM, and then that bag is always sold out. But like, I didn't want to settle. Now I am looking at a YSL bag. I want to purchase the YSL bag, but then I was like, Tamika, you got bags in your closet that you haven't even worn. Like that Gucci Mormont, I only wore it one time. YSL kind of reminds me of the Gucci Mormont. So I was like, Tamika, chill. So instead of me purchasing another bag, I ended up purchasing the new iMac M1 computer in pink. Make sure you are subscribed so you can see that particular unboxing. I did end up giving my iMac to my daughter. I wanted to use it for something, and I'm that type of person, I don't like sharing that type of stuff because certain things she put on that computer, like Roblox, I think that's how you say it, it slows down the computer. So I was like, you know what, it gave me a reason to buy the newer computer, y'all, to be honest. So I was like, yeah, go ahead, Jemima, you can have it. So that's the reason why I ended up purchasing the new one, because I didn't want to purchase the newer computer and just have nothing to do with the old computer. So if I didn't have nobody to give it to, I wouldn't have purchased the newer computer. So yeah. Hey y'all here for this hair bag review. Tell you how I love this hair bag. Like, it made me fall in love with the Marc Jacobs totes all over again, because like I said, I've been focused on Gucci and Louis Vuitton for the past few months now. So when I pulled this out, I was like, oh my gosh, Tamika, what? Okay, I wanted y'all to see the bag, so I had to turn the the light down. But anyway, like I was saying, I forgot how much I love the Marc Jacobs totes because love was elsewhere. So I'm back in love with this hair bag again, y'all. When I tell you, oh my goodness. Oh yeah, I think what I was trying to say was the only thing with this particular color, I'm a little scared with carrying this all the time. So I'm not going to carry this all the time, like every day. Because of the fact that I don't dress up a lot. I wear like more so lounge type clothes, like tights, things like so I don't want to have to worry about color transfer or anything like that. So I may put this bag up and go back to my Louis Vuitton backpack. But before I did so, I wanted to share with you all this hair bag because, oh my goodness, you all, I love this hair bag. Like, oh my goodness, what? And then this bag is so affordable. I think the small, what is it? The smalls are $175 and the minis are $150. I don't know, don't quote me. But y'all, let me tell you, minis are a good size, but for me, it's best just to add a few little extra coins just to get the bigger size. Because with this, you can carry your laptop. Like say if you got a MacBook Air. I have an old MacBook Pro. I'm not sure if that can fit in here, but if you have a MacBook Air and like an iPad, definitely fit in here. So you can use this as a school bag because I'm laptop in here, the Air, MacBook Air, and you can put an iPad. I do have the iPad Pro and that can fit. So of course, if the iPad Pro can fit, you know, the original iPads can fit in here as well. A good school bag is also a good work bag, a good mommy bag, things like so. Because I did just do a video on my new Steve Madden bag, so I'm gonna go ahead and put everything back in its place. Y'all already know I carry most likely the same stuff over and over. Here is the back of the bag, and you have the Marc Jacobs style tote, blah blah blah, 1984. The front of the bag, and if y'all didn't know, this bag do come with the strap. Like I said, anytime I carry a big bag, you all, I carry everything in it, and it was a little heavy. In the inside, you do have your zipper pocket. I don't know why, but I always keep this on here. I do need to cut it off. It's not going back, you all. Oh yeah, like I was saying, this bag is $175, and I don't know, I thought this bag was yellow, but it says cream. Will link this particular color down below if I can find it. If not, I'll just link the size of this particular bag down below so you can pick your own color just in case you may not want this particular color. Here is the inside. I do have some receipts and stuff, and y'all, while I was out, I went and visited the Peloton store that has that bike that YouTube hyped up. And y'all, let me just tell you, if it wasn't for me getting that iMac, I think I would have purchased myself a Peloton bike. I was a little scared of exercise bikes because I don't know, when I was at the Y, I was in a cycling class, and I don't know, this was too much for me, and I ended up leaving that class. So after leaving that class, I was over the whole bike thing. I was like, nah, cycling's not for me, you know, whatever. But y'all, let me just tell you, that bike is gorgeous. If y'all have a Peloton, let me know down below how you love the bike, because oh my gosh. And then the screen is like 24 inches. Yo, that bike is like the Bentley of bikes, you all. The grip, the seat, everything is off the chain with that there Peloton bike. It is expensive. It's not a cheap bike. And then if you get the one with the screen that swivels around, it costs a little more, but in my opinion, it's worth purchasing that because you can use it to do other things. Like, you don't have to use it as a you don't have to just ride it. Let me go ahead and stop plugging Peloton, because if you want to send your girl a bike to do a review, just hit your girl up, because I would love to do a Peloton review, y'all, for real. But anyway, the inside of my bag. And like I said, I have the same stuff in here, so I'm going to just throw everything back inside of this bag. I'm not going to show you what it is because, like I said, it's the same stuff. Oh, y'all, and let me tell you, I was at Sephora inside of JCPenney's, had the Fenty eyebrow pencils on sale for $10. They really retail, I think, for either $20 or $22. They were on sale for $10. I did use it today, so I'm like, I don't know. To me, I wouldn't have paid $20 for that because the pencil that I do use, like the NYX pencil, works perfectly. But since it was $10, the price of a NYX almost, I was like, let me go get it to try. I do like the brush at the end because it's not a spoolie. It's like a brush. So y'all, if y'all have a Sephora inside of JCPenney's, check it out because their sales was a little different than the actual standing Sephora store. So yeah, I just had to let y'all know because I paid only $10 for that pencil. Got this here, what is this? Hand sanitizer, y'all. I just thought this was so cute because if y'all didn't know, I like cute stuff. And then it has a really nice scent. I did get this from TJ Maxx. I think I paid $3.99 for that. You know, I have my mace. I have my AirPods. And then, y'all, when I tell you these sunglasses, I love my sunglasses. So this is what I was looking like when I was taking my picture, y'all. I was like, I'm going to show you how I will carry her. Like I said, she is a little heavy. And most of the time when I was walking around, I was carrying her like so. This because like I said, she was getting a little heavy. But when I was going inside of stores, I had her up like this because I was filming, taking pictures of me going inside of different stores. But let me just tell you how I love her so freaking much. Like, oh my gosh, this made me fall back in love with Marc Jacobs. I'm gonna just tell you, I freaking love the totes. Like, I almost forgot because my mind was elsewhere, you all. I'm not gonna lie. I don't know if this is for this to tuck down in there like so. But I did see people put their sunglasses on this bottle, whatever. But yeah, I think it may be used for this, you all. I'm not sure, but if y'all know, let me know down below. Just letting y'all know I had to reintroduce this here Marc Jacobs bag, y'all, because your girl almost forgot how lovely this here Marc Jacobs tote is. Now, I wear this every day, but like I said, I'm scared to wear this bag every day because as you can see, I have on black tights, and this is what I normally wear when I go out. You know, a lot is tights and, you know, comfortable clothes. So I was just worried about this bag getting dirty. So like I said, I am going to be putting her up for now and just pulling her out when it's like a special occasion or something like so. I'm going to be going back into my backpack because you know, y'all know I just purchased that backpack, and when I tell you, y'all, I'm gonna wear the shit out of that bag. Like, yes, I'm gonna wear that bag until I can't wear it anymore. I just wanted to let y'all know that I'm still loving these here Marc Jacobs totes, and I do highly recommend this here tote for whatever your needs are. It will work for you. I tell you, I didn't use the strap at all because like I said, I just felt like the strap would have took away from my dress. Here's the bag if you want to use it as a school bag. It's really comfortable. Like, I do have a lot of stuff in here, but I will say it's really comfortable. Like, it's not digging in my skin like my Neverfull or my other bags that I used to carry. Like, it feels really, really comfortable. So I can see you maybe placing a few books in here, your laptop, your pencils, pens, and things like so. You will be fine. And with this hair strap, you can get to run in a class if so, and go ahead and have your bag and be cute all at the same time. I do carry the strap. The reason why I carry the strap on these hair totes, I'm out, and for whatever reason I get tired of carrying the bag like this, or get tired of carrying the bag like on the side or in my hand like so, I'll just go and grab the strap like this and place it on my shoulder. And again, it's really, really comfortable. Photo shoot, and I do use this bag. I think I am going to bring my strap because like I said, it ended up being really heavy for me. So yeah, you all, that was my really quick review on this here Marc Jacobs. If you never purchased a Marc Jacobs bag, I don't know where you've been, because I'm telling you all, these things are absolutely amazing. Those that follow me, if you purchased a Marc Jacobs per my recommendation, or you just purchased one just to purchase one, let everybody know how these Marc Jacobs bags are amazing. Like, let them know, y'all. So down below, spam my comments on how y'all love y'all Marc Jacobs. Let me know the color you have, and let me know what you use your bag for. So again, let our Jacob bags, let them know that Miss Tamika not lying. You all, like, let them know. Let you all. I am done for the day with filming. Give this video a big thumbs up, y'all, because it really helps out my channel. And also, before you go, please don't forget to click on that subscribe button and that notification bell, so y'all can be notified each week when your girl uploads videos. And until next time, and there will be a next time, I will talk to you later. Bye.